is Forma, and this is a day in my life as a grade 11 student. This time, I woke up around 4 a.m. to start my day. Sumakay na kami sa tricycle ng tito ko para makapunta sa school. I already arrived at school and malapit na ako malate sa flag ceremony. The flag ceremony had already ended, so umakyat na kami ng third floor with my classmate. Hinubad ko ang school shoes ko kasi bawal pumasok sa loob ng room na may sapatos.
This time is our free time, so I will write ng endings because mamaya na yung pasahan. And ang sakit na talaga ng kamay ko kakasulat. So, I'm gonna write it later on. And still, I have a lot of pages pa na dapat susulat. But I'll finish this later on kasi I think later na ang pasahan.
On the other subject, nag-check lang kami ng aming previous pre-test.
So, how much score do you get?
7 guys.
Ikaw?
Score reveal. 21.
57.
Yay! Match kami guys. 27 over 2.
Okay na to at least. Naka 20 plus.
I grabbed my recess na since it's recess time and nag-borrow lang ako sa classmate ko dahil hindi pa ako binigyan ng mama ko ng allowance. I wear my other t-shirt kasi nadumahan yung puti ko and bibabalik ko lang ayon sa lunch time.
So, I got my allowance na today and sinend lang ni mama sa Gcash ko. So, easy lang talaga ng pagsasend ng allowance ko kasi I use Gcash. So, mapadali lang yung pagpapadala ni mama ng allowance. Look.
Since I have free time, I grab an opportunity para gawin yung activities ko and I search online para maghanap ng references. So, it's lunchtime na, so kumain na kami ng friend ko sa kinakainan naming karinderya.
Bye-bye! So, I'm back at my room and I'll just wait sa first subject namin this afternoon. So, bye-bye!
Walang pamasok na subteacher sa amin, so nagsulat na naman ako na hindi ko pa natatapos. Second period noong afternoon nang bumagsak ang ulan, so ang lamig-lamig.
So, hi, this is us after our class and we have some small snack and after this we're gonna go home, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So, yeah. Bye!
So this is the time na naghiwalay-hiwalay na kami ng mga friends ko and ako na naman yung ihatid pa uwi. As a student, ICT helped me to make my life easily because it helped me on my studies, like searching references online to make my answer accurate